Hey guys, so if you want to see how I styled this 30-inch wig by Virgo Hair Company, make sure you stay tuned to this video. Alright, what's up y'all? It's your girl shayskyler and I'm back with another video. What's up if you're new to my channel, and what's up if you're a returning subby? Let me get myself together. All right guys, so what's up? So today I am going to be doing a wig review. No, it's not the wig that I'm wearing, but this is a 30-inch wig that I got for only 148 bucks on AliExpress. I had my nays and yays with this hair company. I've never used them before, but based upon the reviews that I looked at on YouTube, this is Virgo Hair Company. This is their curly hair 4x4 lace 30-inch wig. Okay, so just received it. All I did was just take the box out the packaging. It came with FedEx. I believe I ordered this wig, maybe it was last week, I want to say, so it didn't take long to come. It kind of reminded me of like Amazon shipping. Inside the package I got this mask that they gave me which is like your hospital mask, and then I got the box. The box is kind of, it's torn. Okay, this is how the box looks. It says 100% human hair here, and then it has the 30-inch here on the side. So like I said, this is their 4x4 hair. So inside of the box, it comes wrapped. This is the wig here. Let's just go over this wig. All right guys, so it does have that human hair, or that smell like fresh wig, who this smell. So this is how it looks. This is the length. So I'm just going to compare it here and then go down. So this is how long it's looking, and then when I pull it, it is going to my waist. I am 5'6", so it's definitely going below my waist. All right, so it is a 4x4, which I'm happy because I really don't like gluing like my hair all the way around. Like this hair right here, I have it glueless. It's not glued down because I just get sick and tired of it. So this is the lace right here, which is the 4x4. So we have 4-inch here and here, and I don't know how they do. Well, yeah, it is about 4 inches, and yeah, it's about 4 inches. So yeah, and the hairline looks great as well. So this is the hairline here, so I don't have to do too much to it. And it looks like it is cut in layers. Like this is a shorter length here, and then it kind of gets longer and longer. So the whole thing is not 30. It is cut into layers, which I didn't know that was going to happen. But yeah. So what I want to go ahead and do is just spritz some water on it before I go ahead and get started with applying the wig. All I got to do is literally snatch this one off. So I'm just going to take some water and add it onto it. Now, some negative comments that people made about this wig is that it tangles, that it doesn't last, that the hair isn't good, that the company is crap. And then I heard other reviews and they said the hair is great, it lasts a long time, the customer service is great. So what I did in the message, I did, because I did purchase this hair on my own, I told them that I'm a YouTuber and that I will be reviewing this hair to see how it looks and to give my thoughts on it. So let's talk about shedding. I am experiencing, sorry, my dog is down here. I am experiencing shedding. It is curly hair, and I have some of the hair from this hair, so it's not that much. Let's do it again, because I don't want to give biased feedback on the shedding. But I can say it is really soft. Okay, so I'm gonna take all the hair out of the comb, and then I'm just going to comb it. But it is really soft. So we have a couple of strands here, so it's not too bad. It's normal shedding of what I usually receive on other hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this. What I'm gonna do is I don't think I'm gonna pluck anymore. Now the baby hairs are long, but I will go ahead and style those when I put on the wig. But all I'm gonna do first is just cut off this lace here. So I'm gonna cut that off, and then I'm gonna apply some glue here, and then I'll come back and then install the wig. So I had already put my cap on, and I used spritz to glue that down. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the construction of this wig. So I did cut off the lace, as you can see here. We have 2 combs on the side, and then we have a comb in the back, and then we also have this band right here that you can use to loosen or tighten the wig as you please. I have not tried it on, so I don't know if it's big head friendly. My hair is, I did some neat braids this morning. I took my time doing braids, so I'm happy about that. So while I'm letting this glue dry up here, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just take the lace, which is not like a bad tint, like it is a brown, but I'm just gonna go ahead and take I'm gonna take my brush, and then I'm just gonna use some of my foundation, very little, and then I'm gonna use some powder from my eyeshadow palette, a dark brown and a lighter brown, and I'm just going to dust good. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is install. So I'm just gonna take the comb to the back and attach it, and then pull this, okay? And I'm gonna take my mirror so I can really see what I'm doing, and y'all can see as well. Add a little bit more glue there, but this is how we're looking, and this is how long it is. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some little fixings, and then I'll come back to style my baby hair so y'all can see. So I'll be right back, y'all. So I'm back. So this is what my lace is looking like right now. I did not pluck. This is how the lace looks. So what I'm just gonna do is take my powder and just add it to give it like a more realistic look. And then I'm gonna see how I want to style it. Now I can do a side part because the 4x4 is from here to here. I don't know if I want to do a side or a middle, so let's try out a middle part first. So all I'm gonna do is just take it and part it, and the parting is nice as well. Y'all see? And I never, like, someone asked me if I bleach wefts. I don't bleach my wefts. I had one bad experience with bleaching my wefts, and I never did it again. Let me back up. Yeah, I never did it again. That was it. That was it for me. I was done. Now, one thing I can say is I wish this entire thing was 30-inch. I don't like the fact that it is layered. If I want to layer my hair, I would layer it myself. So yeah, I'm not happy about that. So they should have disclosed that, because this is just too, it's too short for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet it. All right, y'all, so we got the hair wet. It's wet. So I'm gonna go ahead and style my baby hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And also I'm going to put concealer in my parting space first, because I just want it to look a little bit more natural. So I'm gonna get the parting space super straight, and then just take my concealer and add some to it. All right, now to baby hairs. All right, so this is how this hair is looking, y'all. Now remember, it is a 4x4, so you're not having any space to do anything. Now, if you're a girl that, if you want to pull your hair up into like a ponytail or do like your half up, half down thing, it's going to be really difficult with this hair due to the fact that it is only a 4x4. Now, I just usually wear my hair in the middle part, or I wear it in a side part, so I'm not really doing too much to the hair. So my cons about this hair is I do not like the shape. I do not like the shape. I wish this whole thing was 30 inches. The shape is really bothering me, especially because this is like a 16 and that makes no sense with 30-inch hair. So I do not like that. That's it right now with negatives for me. Positives, I do like how long that it is considering the front is short. And I do like the lace, because if you are a beginner with styling lace fronts, this would be the perfect lace for you. And I do like how tight and snug it is on my head, and it is big head friendly as well, because I had to adjust the back straps, and I can probably adjust it even more to fit a little bit more snug. Now I want to see how a side part looks, if I have enough parting space on this side to do a side part, which I do. And you can also, what I usually do is I can shift the wig over, so it's like more on one side than another. I'm gonna see how far this parting space. Okay, so there is, for 4x4, it has good parting space, because I won't even have to shift it to do a side part. So this is how it would look with the side part, and I like the layer with the side part. That works out better for me. But yeah, so for $147, it is a good price, because usually 30-inch lace fronts are running for like $200, $300, $400. So I will say it is good. The shedding, we'll see how it does as the weeks progress, and I'll add some more foundation in there for the side part. But yeah, so this is Virgo Hair Company. Right now, it's okay. Like, I will give it a thumbs up, yes. I'll come back in probably like a month and do an update, because I'm usually okay. I usually have good vibes with curly hair. So I'll come back in a month, do an update, and let you guys know how it is. If you have any questions about this hair or anything, make sure you let me know in the comments below. You can find out the deets to this hair in the description. Remember, I paid for this money. This hair. It is a sponsored video. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say, guys. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.